Are you an NRI selling property in India? Then you need to know the benefits of a lower deduction certificate. As a property seller, you'll find that the TDS rate ranges from 13 to 36%, and tax is deducted on the entire sale value and not on the gains that you actually make. Moreover, tax is deducted even if the property is sold for a loss. For the seller, this could be frustrating since the refund of TDS is received only when the return of income is processed for that year. In such cases, applying for an LDC would reduce the TDS rate to as low as 3% or even 0% in some cases. Application for LDC is submitted to the assessing officer along with the sale agreement and a self-certified estimation of your total income for that year. If the details provided are satisfactory, the officer would reduce the TDS rate accordingly. Several factors affect the TDS rate, such as your other incomes, balance of your carried forward loss, and your plans to reinvest or construct a new property. Let's take a scenario where property is sold without an LDC. Assume the property is sold for 4 crores and the TDS rate applicable is 15%. The buyer deducts the TDS on sale value and deposits only 3.4 crores to the NRI account of the seller. The seller in this case would be disappointed as he was expecting to repatriate a higher amount to his foreign account, which is not possible without an LDC. In the previous example, if the seller had an LDC for say 3%, he would be receiving nearly 3.9 crores in his bank account. To elaborate further, the sale proceeds realized is 3.4 crores without an LDC, whereas it is 3.9 crores with an LDC. If the proceeds are invested in a fixed deposit returning 10%, the interest earned without an LDC would be 34 lakhs, whereas it would be 39 lakhs with an LDC. The incremental benefit of having an LDC is that you receive 50 lakhs more in your bank account, which in this case would result in an incremental interest income of 5 lakhs. To summarize, an LDC avoids opportunity cost of TDS and allows you to repatriate a higher amount after sale of your property.